what are the effects of posture? Sit up and let's start this journey together. Let's get to the heart of the matter. There is a profound impact of poor posture, not only on your emotions, but also on your physical well-being. Let's cover the harsh reality that slouching and hunching can have on your body. When we talk about poor posture, we're not just talking about the aesthetics. It's a silent saboteur that wreaks havoc on your body. Imagine your spine as an architectural masterpiece, the backbone of your structure. Now, picture this structure slowly crumbling due to poor posture. Your spine has natural curves in the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar regions, a delicate balance that ensures stability, flexibility, and mobility. Poor posture disrupts this balance, leading to degradation of these curves. In the cervical spine, your neck, you may lose your natural lordotic curve, which is the shape of a letter C, creating stress and tension. In the thoracic spine, which is your mid-back, slouching can flatten the natural kyphotic curve, which is an inverse C shape, impacting your breathing and internal organ function. And in the lumbar spine, which is the lower back, the lordotic curve, again that C shape, may become exaggerated, leading to increased pressure in the discs and facet joints. The consequences are not just visual, they're physical and often painful. Prolonged poor posture can lead to chronic issues like back pain, muscle strain, and joint dysfunction. But that's not all. It can set the stage for more severe problems, such as arthritic changes, disc problems, and organ dysfunction, among many other neurological issues. So, it's not just about looking slouched, it's about understanding the toll poor posture takes on your body, affecting both your emotional and your physical well-being. But fear not, because awareness is the first step towards change. And we are about to explore how Nuka Chiropractic can be a catalyst for that change. Before we do, why does posture hold this emotional power over us? To understand, let's take a closer look at the mastermind behind it all, our central nervous system. It can be compared to a complex network of roads, each pathway responsible for carrying crucial information between your brain and the rest of your body. Now, the spine is the highway that these messages travel on. It's not just the structural support, it is the lifeline of communication. Your brain relies on this intricate system to send signals that govern your emotions, your movements, your organ functions, and more. Imagine you're driving down a smooth, well-maintained road. Your journey is seamless and you feel in control. That's how a well-aligned spine supports your central nervous system. Messages flow effortlessly and you experience a sense of balance and well-being. But what happens when your posture is compromised? Poor posture, especially in the upper spine, can be likened to road construction, sudden roadblocks, detours, and traffic jams. Misalignments disrupt the flow of information, creating chaos in the system. Your brain struggles to communicate effectively, and the emotional impact is profound. This disruption isn't just physical, it's emotional too. Imagine the frustration of being stuck in traffic. That's what your brain experiences when your posture is misaligned. Stress hormones such as cortisol, norepinephrine, and epinephrine increase, and your emotional well-being takes a hit. It's a cycle that affects your mood, self-esteem, and even your ability to cope with daily challenges. And here's the kicker. Your posture doesn't just reflect your emotions, it can influence them. By improving your posture, you're sending positive feedback to your brain, enhancing emotional regulation and resilience. It is important to form this habit. So when we talk about emotional impact on posture, it's not just about appearances, it's about nurturing the very core of your being, the central nervous system. Enter Nuka Chiropractic. Nuka addresses the atlas subluxation complex and how that affects posture. Now, we have gone in depth on the topics of Nuka, atlas subluxation, and posture, so you can find links to those videos in the description below. Now imagine standing tall, free from the burdens of poor posture. Nuka Chiropractic isn't just a correction, it's a liberation, a journey towards emotional resilience, confidence, and a life without unnecessary obstacles. Remember that your posture is a reflection of your inner self. Take care of your spine, nurture your central nervous system, and let your true self shine through. If you found this journey eye-opening, hit that like button and share with those who need to hear it. And subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, remember, when you restore your brain, you will truly begin to heal your pain. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.